Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall HomeKit Secure Router and remove accessories. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your HomeKit Secure Router is powered on. Access the Home app on your iOS device. Tap on the Home icon located in the top left corner. Select the Home Settings option at the bottom of the menu. Scroll down to find the Home Hubs and Bridges section. Locate your HomeKit Secure Router in this section. Tap on the router to open its settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the settings menu. Tap on Remove Accessory. Confirm that you want to remove the router by selecting Remove. Next, return to the main screen of the Home app. Tap on the plus icon to add or manage accessories. Select Add Accessory to start the removal of connected devices. Follow the prompts to find and select any accessories you wish to remove. Once you locate the accessory, tap on it to open its details. Scroll down and choose the Remove Accessory option. Confirm that you want to remove the accessory. Repeat this process for each accessory connected to your HomeKit Secure Router. After removing all desired accessories, close the Home app. Finally, power down your HomeKit Secure Router. Disconnect it from your network if necessary. Your HomeKit Secure Router and its accessories are now successfully uninstalled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.